Do you often stay awake at night counting sheep, unable to fall asleep because of simple nervousness, overwork, or restlessness? Well, now, the next time you can't sleep, you just try some Sominex, the new aid to sleep that, taken as directed, brings 100% safe sleep. Remember, because this is important. Now, Sominex contains no barbiturates, no bromides, no narcotics, and it's non-habit forming. What's more, Sominex's combination of special ingredients helps calm down jittery nerves, helps you feel more relaxed. So, if you often can't sleep, why, just take some Sominex for more natural-like sleep with 100% safety. Sominex gently lulls you into sound, restful sleep. In the morning, you wake up refreshed, without morning after grogginess. So don't spend another sleepless night counting sheep. Take Sominex as directed for 100% safe sleep. No prescription needed. Money back if not satisfied. Get Sominex at your drugstore now.
I'd say that was good advice, wouldn't you? Remember, if you can't sleep, try Sominex. Now on with our game. Incidentally, all questions